Okay, we're going to tackle the customer screen now. So this is the screen that the customer sees. It's at a kiosk. So here's a typical kiosk. The user can go up to the kiosk and start typing in the product numbers that they want, pay for it, and that puts their order into the queue. So that's the idea. Okay, so we want the customer screen. Let's make up a route for that. This isn't going to do a great deal, so this is called cust, and this one's got a parameter, and that will be the order number. So the order number is the parameter, so we're going to customer page, and we're passing in order number, and we'll render template queue with the understanding that, no, not queue, it's going to be customer.html and customer num, nope, order num equals order num. Okay, so we're passing this parameter into the customer page. So let's make up a template. We can make up a template, or we could just borrow one we've already done earlier. Let's start off with the customer one. So let's open template queue. So we've got a queue already. Let's save this as, it's another template, but this is cust.html. Okay, let's put in a title. Is customer create order page. Okay, and we'll put in an H1 heading as well. So that's H1. Okay, and what I'm going to do is insert in here div, so order num, and let's see the order num showing up. Save that, and I think we saved that already. So let's visit, not get queue, let's visit customer, and we'll look at order 105. Okay, so that value 105 got injected into my page, which is terrific. I think I'm probably going to hide this thing here, so I don't want the users to see it, but my jQuery is going to be picking this up. That's still loading in store. I don't want to load in store, I want to load in cust.js. So let's open cust.js. I don't know if you can see that, but this thing is refreshing itself, I think. So I'm going to open my JavaScript file, store, and I'm going to save this as what I just called it there. That was cust.js. And it doesn't do this. It doesn't do any of this. Let's just get rid of it. Okay, what I want to do first of all is to find out what my customer order is. So var order num is, so I can pick that up. It's stored here, so I injected it there, and I will hide that eventually. But if I inspect that, I can see that's an element, and it's got ID order num. I can say var order num equals hash order num dot text. So that's picked up the order number, and I want to find out what's in that. So I'll make an Ajax query to find out what's in there. So that's dot get JSON. So I'm going to do a get request. So I will get order, and let's put the order number on the end of that. Okay, so that'll make a query to Python, and what should come back will be a list of the items in that order. Okay, so I'll make that call to order. I'll make a get call to order. I'll get the order num in this parameter, and this will have a list of all the things. Let's just print it out for the moment. So that's the order num. Let's have another div. We'll call this debug, so we can see what's going on. /div. And so this thing should say $#debug, and I'm going to set the text to be just whatever D is. Okay, let's try and wire that up. So over here I've got cust order num. I need another route that's going to do a database query. So this is order. I want the details of this order. Order with a given order number. So this is going to be get order. Okay, we're not rendering template. We're doing the MySQL. We're doing the SQL thing again. Okay, but this time we've got the cursor. We're going to select start from its order line. Where cust order equals, I think you do this. I might have to check the documentation. I think you can do cust order, close the quotes, and then you can specify parameters here. So I think I can say cust order. The only thing I can think of is that I'm missing a commit. So let's try that. Let's try cur.commit. Save that. Start that server up and running again. And so let's try and add the second item to that order. So that's 4. Cursor has no object commit. Okay, it looks like the commit happens on the connection, not on the cursor. Let's try that, com.commit. Save that and reload. Com is not, no, it's not com, it's con. Try again. That looks like 2 things have gone in, but we thought that before. Oh, happy days. Okay, so it was the commit. You've got to do a con.commit to make that happen. Excellent. Okay, so that's order 1 maxed out. Let's reload this. And now we can see our 2 products. Let's look at order number 2. There's order number 2, that's got nothing in it. Let's try and add 112233. Add that and reload. Duh. Didn't work. Nope. Let's see if it went in. Perhaps I have to stop and restart. Oh no. Looks like it's added. No. That was customer. Let's try and figure out what's going on. So that's the order. 112233. Add to order. Okay, that's the wrong format. Let's reload this page. 112233. No, it's making the wrong kind of order there. That should be slashes there. Okay, what have I not changed? I've not updated this guy, I guess. No, I haven't. So this thing here should be slash. So it's order number slash item. Save that. Reload this. F12. Let's try again. 112233. Okay, that's better. Looks like we've added a laptop to that order. Let's reload it. Excellent. And let's add the screen. 112234. That should add that. Reload. Yes, okay. So we can add a single item. Of course, if I try and add another one, that should break the primary key. Let's try that. Yep, we're getting a runtime error, I'm hoping. Yeah, so that breaks the primary key because we tried to add the same item. We need to do some fancier SQL to update that number from 1 to 2. That's what we really want to happen, rather than another insert. We're definitely not doing that at this stage.